If you think soya dishes are boring, then today's video is going to completely change your mind. We are making two incredibly delicious soya recipes, high protein, flavor packed, and absolutely restaurant style. So let's get started. Our first recipe is for Soya Keema Momos. Now start preparing the dough by taking a bowl and adding whole wheat flour and a little salt. Mix it well. Now gradually add water and knead into a semi-soft dough. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now to prepare the filling, heat some oil in a shallow pan, add ginger, garlic, chili paste and finely chopped onions. Saute until the onions turn translucent and aromatic. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri lal mirch powder, coriander powder and your preferred spices. Now mix everything nicely, add boiled peas and stir well. Finally add soaked and squeezed soya granules. Cook this mixture for about 3 to 4 minutes and your stuffing is ready. Now prepare the chutney. In a grinder, add soaked dried red chilies, garlic cloves, salt, a little sugar and vinegar. Blend everything into a smooth paste. Now take a small dough ball and roll it into a thin sheet. Using a round katori or cutter, cut small circular wrappers. Place 1 spoon of stuffing in the center, seal the edges and shape into momos. Now heat a pan with minimum oil, place the momo in the pan. Add a splash of water, cover and cook until the water evaporates and the base turns slightly golden. Now remove them from the pan and in the same pan heat a little oil, add the prepared chutney, fresh cream and some chaat masala. Let it come to a gentle boil. Now add the pan fried momos and toast them gently in the gravy. And your soya keema gravy momos are ready. Now let's move to a rich North Indian style soya chaap curry. For this, remove sticks from soya chaap and cut into pieces. Heat some oil in a pan on low flame and fry the chaap pieces until golden brown. Now take them out in a bowl. Add butter, salt, chaat masala, red chili powder, amchur and curd. Coat the chaap pieces properly and keep them aside to marinate. Now in the same pan, fry sliced onions until golden brown. Remove, cool and grind into a smooth paste with a little water. Now in another mixture jar, grind tomatoes, chilies, garlic and ginger into a smooth paste. Next, heat oil in a kadhai, add whole spices and let them release aroma. Now add the tomato paste with salt, cover and cook on medium-low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now add powdered spices except garam masala and kasuri methi. Cook for another 5 minutes. Once the tomato base is properly cooked and oil starts separating, add onion paste. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the marinated chaap pieces, add garam masala and kasuri methi. Pour water according to the gravy consistency you prefer. Cover and cook on low flame for 7 to 8 minutes. Now garnish with fresh coriander. Your rich, creamy soya chaap curry is ready. So there you have it, two completely different flavor-packed soya recipes. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.